we're wrapping the gift. Let's go open the plastic bag. Mommy, here's the gift. Christmas party from our friend. We brought Christmas party our friend. Look at guys. We got tape from the present tree. This one from today. And then we brought something from adults, and then this one for adults also, and this one for the kids. The other thing put like here. And then let's start wrapping. Mommy, can you help me wrapping?
Okay, sure.
Here's the wrap. I'll sit down here first. So we need the last present. We have to wrap this one for Adam. Here we go, Mom. The first one gift is for Adam. Come on, Mommy, you have to get it.
Okay.
Our wait. This wrapping first. Just put here, not the size one. Put like that. Because it's getting full now. First gift is for Adam. Come on. Put like that. Think it's not gonna work again. Okay, guys. This is the Christmas tree where we put it, and then Mommy's here wrapping the other gift. We're gonna put it here. Put like a square. We'll do triangle. You have to do the side of the way. Put the side of the bottom. I'm wrapping Mommy, and this is the Christmas tree we can put. And I will show you the Christmas tree yet. Okay, here we go. This is the Christmas tree. And we will put it here. We'll put inside it.
And then you will open?
Yeah.
You will open on
the
Christmas Eve.
Yeah. And we will go to the Christmas because it's Christmas now.
Yeah, you will open it on Christmas Eve now.
Yeah.
All the gifts that you will receive, you will open it on
This
Christmas.
is the Christmas.
We'll get them.
Our party is Saturday. Next, we're wrapping gift. The first gift is for Adam.
This one for Adam.
This is for Adam. That's school supplies.
Oh, we should have put it together with this because it is also for Adam.
Yeah, also for
But it
Adam.
will not fit.
It will not fit. Let's put one more thing.
Wrap.
Wrap.
Okay, I will just
Bigger
use
wrap.
this gift for
From
whose gift is this for?
For sister from Adam, her baby.
This is for Lily.
Lily. From her
For
From-
Adam's sister.
Adam's sisters. She's smaller, so she didn't have the school supplies. Only she have that one.
Yes, because she's still a baby.
She's still a baby. Because she's not yet a big girl. She's still a baby.
So we just bought
Wait,
this.
we bought this at the little day because the other store is too expensive.
Yeah, where you got only day to day.
Yes.
Good job, ate. It's okay. As long. Plus the matter is you give a gift.
Yes.
It doesn't matter if it's expensive or not.
Put it here.
Can you
put
help
it
mommy?
here.
Yeah, hold here.
Put
Hold
it.
here.
I put it.
Okay, good job.
Put it
Gift?
here. Put it here.
Gift doesn't have to be expensive as long as you give it from your heart. As long as you
Yeah.
give it.
There. This is the first gift.
Not yet. Not yet.
We have to cut the side.
I will put this one first.
Okay. You have to cut it on the side.
No, I will just like this. I will put another tape.
Okay. You have to cut the other side because.
Hold here.
Okay.
Hold here. Yeah, I will put a tape on.
Tape. So first, the last one.
That's the big one. This is for the family.
Yes. Who are the two?
This is for the adults. You said it, right?
Oh, we have to put its name. What? Who name?
Which name? I'm gonna put later on our family name. What's our family name?
That's our family name. Who's giving? Ano name and family?
Jacinto.
Oh, Jacinto. Wow. That's beautiful. We have to put it big wrap.
Good.
Big wrap. We have to put it like that. Princess Day. Bye. Bye.
Expo 2020. The next station is ADCB.
Yeah. Say hi, guys.
We're going to Christmas party. Girl, you are. Where you are. Can I choose the other one?
We're
Only
riding
just
a
taxi.
Tesla. Ria, how do you open this one?
This is press.
Press?
Press.
Okay.
Wait, child light.
Ria, no.
Okay.
Oh, no. And then?
Yeah, push the gate. Press and push.
Okay. Oh, my gosh.
Thank you, Paul.
Nagamit mo ba? Dadalhin mo natin yung dalawang upuan? Oo.
We're here na in Alcil Gate. Oh, you play with Shelly. Look. Mia!
Hindi nilalang. Si Papa naman. Kiara! 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 Lia! Say cheese! Adam! Cheese!
Okay, 1, 2. Mia, look here. Okay. Okay, okay na. Okay. Okay, you open your gift. Ate. There's a baby? Wow, for ate. Wow, what did you get, Adam? Wow. 10. 10. What did you get, Adam? Wow. Wow. What?
Sana makita ko pa yan bago kami umuwi.
Kaya nga eh.
You have a baby at home.
Asa ba yung book na tago kami?
Oh, good job. Wow. What will you say, ate?
Ate Mia! Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year.
Thank you! Hindi mo yan bubuksan sa Pasko.
Yay! Say ho ho ho! And you'll click one, and you'll get one. So it's there in the center. No?
No, no.